Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's see our next question. The question states that the quantities x equals to 1 upon root under mu naught epsilon naught, y equals to e by v, and z equals to L upon Cr are defined where C equals to capacitance, R is equal to resistance, L is equal to length, E is equal to electric field, P is equal to magnetic field, and epsilon naught and mu naught is the free space permittivity and permeability respectively. Then we have to choose the correct option out of the given options. Now I am giving you 5 seconds to read out this question now and then I will move to the solution. Please try it by yourself. So now let's understand the solution. We have been given that x equals to 1 upon root under epsilon naught mu naught, which is the speed, and the dimension of x is L and T inverse, and the value of y, that is speed, is equals to E upon B, and the z is L upon Cr, and its unit is meter per second. And also it is important to mention the dimension of the y, it is L T inverse. Now we have to calculate the dimension of the z. The dimension of z, meter per second, is length and time inverse, that is L and T inverse. So out of the following 4 options available there, we have to select the one which is correct. So now as we can see, x, y, z, all of the 3 above have the same dimension. So now we can say that the x, y, z has the same dimension. So the option number second is the correct option of this question. Hope you understood this question well. Thank you. See you in the next question.